to call the person that you're paying to. Kasi I did talk to the person also.
Turuan kita paano magduro.
Kasi there's a difference between that ticket to MTPB authority. Promise, I'm not, I'm just telling this you, for you guys to be aware.
Yes po, sir. Pero kasi galing din naman kasi siya kay City Hall na MPPB po na binabayaran po namin every
Pero
day, sir.
it's different. It's, how much you pay for that one?
300 po siya, sir.
300 times 30. Ma'am, mas cheaper yung NTPB, 1.5 lang daw. I'm being honest.
Yes.
Sinasabi
Pero
ko
kasi
sa'yo,
sir, yun po kasi yung inano sa
cheaper
amin
kasi
ni
ito.
City Hall, sir, eh, na everyday po kami
Sino
magbabayad.
sa City Hall?
Dito po sa parking attendance, sir.
Call the parking attendant. Kasi hindi ako papayag, mas taas ang binabayaran niyo.
No, ano naman po, sir, wala naman pong problema yun sa pinipay namin, sir. Kasi kay company naman
akin
naman
lang
po siya,
is,
sir.
It's too much
Opo.
on someone's end.
Wala namang problem, sir, if magpipay kami 300 a day, sir.
Hindi, ang akin,
Para sa slot po namin,
ang
sir.
akin naman, you need to pay the monthly kasi it's low. It's just one.
Pero no problem naman, sir, kung magpipay kami everyday ng 300.
Yeah,
Kasi
pero,
company,
kasi,
naman po siya, sir. Sagot naman po nila.
I'm not that low to disrespect at that point. No. No, I'm doing justice now. Hindi ako pwede naman.